Alright, Redneck Boy here. I have my friend here. And I decided to blow something up today, see if it'll work. So I got some Old Spice here. And I got my torch. And I got myself a lighter. So I decided to blow this thing up somewhere. So, you want to hold it? Make sure it's pointing right at me and you have to follow me and everything. Alright. Well, I gotta see how tall this will be. Try to find somewhere where I can do it. I need something to stand it up on. Maybe a couple bricks. Maybe about a couple more. One. Need about one more. Fuck. I think one more should do it, right?
I think it'd be fine.
Actually, I don't know. You think that'll work? I don't know, it doesn't look like it's touching.
Wind's blowing too much.
Huh?
Wind's blowing too much.
Yeah, I know. What, man?
Want to figure it out, then do another video.
Huh?
Want to figure this out and then do another video.
I think that should work. Come on, dude. Yeah, but whoa, shit! Damn! Holy shit! Look at that shit! Split the whole can in half.
Oh, it's hot as fuck. Look, feel how hot this is. Yeah, it's pretty hot.
It ain't that hot.
It's pretty hot though.
Well, that's it for my vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Redneck Boy out. Peace.